Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is a 3-compartment units coming with a splashing board and also have the hand washer on the other side. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall length will be 77 inches. And the depth will be about like 18 and a half inches. And the overall height, include the backboards, that will be 15 and a half inches. And let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the sinks, they will be about like 12 and a half inches in the length and 12 inches in the depth and 12 inches in the height. The 3 compartments the same, and also they come in with 4 water gin filters right here. And this is a splashing board. You can removable, you can pull it out or just attach on the side right here. And for the hand wash bar, it will be the same, 12 inches in the length and 12 and a half inches and 12 inches in depth. So this is the overall size for the units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.